let's look at the statuses that we have and the order section. So we've shown you the home page already. Now, and we've shown you part of the order section, because when you click on orders, you'll see plus for any time you want to add a new order. But you've also got these areas here which give you a breakdown of where your case is at. So for example, if you had a problem submitting a payment, they would be in the payment pending button. You may want to say, what's happened to our cases? So just the last couple of cases I did in our demonstration are going to be ready for assignment to one of our orthodontists. You want to know which cases are in progress. And in progress means that our team is working on this. And which cases are ready for CAPS. In other words, CAPS is looking at them first before they go ahead and show it to you. Because once CAPS is ready for them, then it will go into this bucket ready for doctor. So once CAPS says the case is ready and they're happy with it, they will move this case to a status which says ready for doctor. You will receive an email that it is ready for your review, and I keep on reiterating, do not look at the case, do not approve the case until you receive the email from CAPS saying it's ready for doctor review, because you will receive emails from the aligner company over and over again. But ignore those, because CAPS is taking control of all of that until CAPS is ready to give it to you for your final approval. And we can have a look and see all the cases which are in modification request. So all the cases that you've now modified. So if we go back into our home button and we say, could we please modify this case? So we're going to ask for a modification. Please move to further gingerly, for argument's sake. So now it will be a modification. It will go back to CAPS. So we've got a modification request, and we will see it in the order section, which now says modification request. And then we've also got all the cases which have been completed. Because if you remember, on the home page, we've only got the ones that have been completed for the last 14 days, not for ever. The other thing that I want to show you on the order section, we have a search function. You might not remember the name of and you think, what about that patient that I saw? I think her name was Avatar. Can't remember. And you just type in a couple letters and everything that has AV in it. And it could be in the notes section, whatever it be. So you don't have to type in 1, 2, 3. Obviously, the more letters you have, the better it's going to be. So for example, if I want to find out about anybody who's named Lisa, I've got my Lisa. So this is your search function that you can use, and it gives you the name, the reference number, the patient name, etc., etc. And you can go back and click on the order, because this is what we call a hyperlink. So you click on any order and it will tell you what the status is, and it will go through exactly what we talked about. So for example, here we've added notes. We have impacted 1, 3 and 2, 3. I want to broaden the arches, etc., etc. And I can go, once again, I can go into the orders, and I can see exactly what's been done by whom and when, and the correspondence that goes backwards and forwards.